Monday. That's right, the weekend's over and it's piling up here at Old TG. So let's take a look what came in today along with all our projects. Little 67 Mustang. As you can see here, we're going to show you what, obviously, look at this. So anyone familiar with Mustangs, you know you got these end caps that your tail lights are in that come off. So you can see how the end cap is obviously higher than the quarter panel. But if you look, somebody at some point had bonded it up and that's just a piece that flaked off. So there you go, that's the fixes in the day, I guess. But this car came in and we're going to be doing a complete on it. Everything. You know. Now for those of you that don't know Mustangs, the hole is where the gas tank goes. But you can see that, you know, it's just a typical spot for Mustangs to go. It's right where your leaf spring perch is. They always rust out there. Then the leaf springs start coming up through the chunk. Wheel tubs are obviously, I can see right through them, they're gone. So outer wheel tubs we're going to be replacing. Whoops, turn that back. Quarter panels are going to be replaced. Let's take a look inside here. Can't really see much. Oh, there's the quarters. Some trim pieces. Can't really see how the floors are, but I think the floors need some work, or maybe they're okay. I can't recall. Or someone's done some work in the floors. We'll find out when we empty it out. I can't remember. I looked at this car a while ago, gave the customer a quote, and here it is. As you can see, look at subframe. Rotten. Look at it, it's all rotten. So we're going to be replacing everything. You can buy the rad support new. You can buy the whole complete sides with the shock tower. This is called a shock tower. As your shock sits up in there, you can buy that new, and that comes with the complete frame rail on it. So everything on the front of this is getting taken off. Look at the rust here. This is another one. This is another one that's much like the Camaro. That's why I put it here next to the Camaro. We're going to keep the two rusties together because maybe they got some stories they can talk about to one another. Rockers look like they're pretty solid, but you never know until you get down there. Quarters are gone.
Lots of ways.
So I can't really. Check out Friday. Can't really see in there. Bruce says he'll have this one done in a matter of a week.
No, I said he's gonna go Friday.
Oh. So there we go. So this is what's going on. So we got suspension, we got engine, we got tranny, we got diff, we got welding, we got paint, we got body work, we got everything to do but the interior. So there's another one added to the list of wonderful things around here. Now some people must be like saying, holy God, Rick, how do you keep all these in order? But I do keep them in order. Everybody has a timeline where they are on their cars and what they want done. So I know what's going on, and I keep it organized the best I can. Now sometimes you get behind with some things. It's just typical, you're going to. That shit happens, but that's life. But we're never behind by years, that's for sure. So that's it. That's what's going on here in the shop today. That's the other new one going on, so thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, all you guys. I say it over and over again, t-shirts are on the way, and they are. You can go to my website, oldtimegarage.ca. You'll see some of my older shirts on there. They are on there. We've got decals, we've got beer cozies. You can look at all that stuff right now, but I got some new shirts on the way, and they should be here pretty soon. Things are just a little tied up, but we are getting there. Okay. See you later.